Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 30th, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So we're going to start off the day with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures right now are trading lower by 5.25 points to 20.96 per contract. So futures taking a little bit of a hit this morning. There are a lot of stocks still reporting earnings, so we're definitely going to take a look at that. We did have some economic data out at 8:30 in the morning, weekly jobless claims, but nobody really cares about that. Let's take a look at the earnings in the news today. Facebook, that's the first one here. See, the stock right now is trading at $94.45, closed at $97 yesterday. So it's down ticked a little bit. Really no real damage. It looked like Facebook was going to sell off hard. It got all the way down to around 90.60 in the aftermarket yesterday, but it has recovered quite a bit. So we'll keep this one on the radar. We will be trading Facebook at some point during the trading session. I'm pretty confident of that. So again, we'll keep it on the radar and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, if you want to trade right alongside of us, come over, take a 7-day free trial to Intraday Stock Chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. Yesterday, we had some really nice trades on DATA, and traders made a lot of money there. So again, if you want to trade right alongside of us, come over and take that 7-day free trial. Next up, we're going to talk about Wynn Resorts. Ticker symbol is WYNN. Stock is trading at $98.75. It closed at $96.03. So a nice little pop here for Wynn Resorts. We'll see if we can get through the $100 level. If it does that, maybe there could be a little bit more upside. The stock has been beaten down on the daily and weekly and monthly charts. Just think about it. Last year at this time, I believe this stock was probably trading over $200. Now, it's a $98 stock. So a good little pop, but that's all it is. I'm not sure if it's going to hold here, but we will be watching this one once the opening bell rings. Whole Foods, WFM is the ticker symbol here. This is a pretty good little fall for the stock. Stock closed yesterday at $40.82, now trading at $36.08. And this is the damage that can be done during an earnings season. You just never know where a stock is going to go once the earnings announcement is made. Whole Foods right now trading at $36.05. Did trade below $35 briefly. I'm going to have gap levels for this one in the intraday stock chat. So again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. But Whole Foods right now trading at $36.11, pretty sharp decline. Let's take a look at WDC, which is Western Digital, and you're going to see here the stock is trading at $84.93, closed at $78.75. So this is a pretty good pop for Western Digital. I'm showing pretty good short-term resistance around $85.60, so keep that on the radar today. If it can climb through there, hey, upside, there's definitely more upside in the cards, but right now, that would be the resistance level that I'm seeing. Let's take a look at Solar City. So Solar City this morning is trading at $58.83 rather. Closed at $58.05. There's not much here for Solar City. If it does start to rally, you have major resistance at $64. That would even be a level I would consider fading. But right now the stock's holding up okay. We'll watch this once the intraday stock chat opens up. Watch this a little bit more closely, but again, 64 is a big level, but I don't even know if it would get up there. So again, be a little bit careful with this one here. Let's take a look at Baxter. I believe they had earnings as well. BAX is the ticker symbol here. The stock's not really doing a whole lot. Close at $38.50. It's trading at $38.75. We'll look at that once the opening bell rings. Here's a stock that's getting hammered today. SSYS, which is Stratasys. Stock is trading at $29.35. Closed at $36.49. This is a beaten. I'm looking at a little bit of support around $27.50, and then it's really down to $20. So be very careful trying to trade this equity. This is a 3D printer maker. Also, you could look at 3D Systems, which is Triple D. This is also getting hit in sympathy. This closed at $15.21. It is now trading at $13.78. So again, both 3D printer makers getting hit today. Triple D down in sympathy to SSYS. Let's take a look at Corvo, QRVO. And this is trading at $61.34, closed at $70.47. So this is a pretty good decline. This stock is kind of a new issue. Didn't debut until, I believe, December of 2014. So we don't have a lot of data to go off this one, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Skechers, SKX. This stock right now is trading at 143.77. It closed at 128.44. So tremendous, tremendous, tremendous. But it is overbought, overbought, overbought. Do not touch this with a 10-foot pole. If it goes higher, so be it. If you own it, congratulations. Trail your stop loss ASAP, immediately. So again, this is way overdone. This is a kind of a stock, in my opinion, that can stage a fade reversal. So I would be very, very careful here with this stock. Hopefully it stays up for all the shareholders that have it. But again, when you see an equity like this that is up this much, this extended, this overbought, I would be extremely careful around this area, anywhere around 145. Maybe it goes a little bit higher, but this is the kind of stock that can reverse on you, so be careful with this one. All right, let's take a look at NCR. This is trading at 28.50, closed at 30.38. I don't really see anything that great here. If this breaks down lower, I would probably be interested in a 24.70 level, but right now there's not a lot I would do with this equity, so be a little bit careful here. We'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings, but again, 24.70, 24.50, that's where I start to get interested, even around 23.75. When it gets down to around there, that's where I start to get interested. Right now, there's not much I would do with this equity at this point in time. All right, real quick, gold market today is trading lower by $7.40 to $1,085.90 an ounce. Remember, the Federal Reserve came out with their statement yesterday. Gold did take a little bit of a hit today. Crude oil futures are trading up about 38 cents to $49.18. So crude continues to bounce a little bit here, but nothing all that dramatic. So we'll see how this all plays out today. And again, if you want to come over and trade with us, take that 7-day free trial. Come on over to the Intraday Stock Chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. All right, with that being said, everybody have a great trading day. God bless, and we will see you on the charts.